Did you know that some students earn more in a month than many adults do in their regular 9-to-5 jobs? Intriguing, right? Welcome everyone. In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of side hustles, specifically tailored for students. We've got a curated list of 20 fantastic opportunities, each a potential gold mine. Stay with us, and by the end, you might just discover a venture that not only complements your academic journey, but also lines your pockets. Because let's face it, who doesn't want to be that student who's got both the grades and the green? Number 1. Freelance writing. Diving into the world of freelance writing is one of the most accessible ways students can monetize their skills. With a plethora of online platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr, it's become significantly easier to offer writing services to a global audience. All you need is a good command of the language, a computer, and an internet connection. From blog posts, product descriptions, to research papers, the demand is vast. Moreover, the flexibility it offers is a boon for students. They can choose projects based on their schedules and areas of interest. Over time, as they build a portfolio and garner positive reviews, they can also increase their rates. Number 2. Tutoring. Students could utilize their academic strengths by offering tutoring services. Whether it's math, literature, or a foreign language, there's always someone out there seeking to grasp the subject better. Platforms like Chegg Tutors and Tutor.com make it easy to connect with students worldwide. The beauty of tutoring is that it not only helps others, but also reinforces one's own understanding of the subject. Additionally, tutors can offer flexible timings, making it compatible with university schedules. Number 3. Graphic designing. For those with a creative flair, graphic design can be an excellent side hustle. Students can start by creating logos, banners, posters, or even complete branding packages for small businesses or individual clients. Websites like 99 Designs or Behance are perfect platforms to showcase one's portfolio. The key here is to keep refining skills, staying updated with design trends, and continually networking to ensure a steady flow of projects. Number 4. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services and earning a commission for every sale made through your referral link. Students can start by creating a blog, YouTube channel, or even a simple Instagram page. By joining affiliate programs or platforms like Amazon, ClickBank, or ShareASale, they can choose products relevant to their audience and promote them. It's a game of patience and strategy, but with consistent effort, it can yield significant returns. Number 5. Selling handmade crafts. If you're into arts and crafts, platforms like Etsy or even local craft fairs can be gold mines. Whether it's jewelry, personalized notebooks, handmade candles, or digital prints, there's a vast market for unique and personalized items. The key is to ensure high quality, creativity, and effective marketing. Number 6. Photography. For students with a passion for photography, selling photos on stock platforms like Shutterstock, Getty Images, or Adobe Stock can be lucrative. Alternatively, they can offer their services for events, product photography, or portraits. Building a portfolio and maintaining an active online presence is crucial for attracting clients. Number 7. Social media management. In today's digital age, every business, big or small, wants a compelling social media presence. Students well-versed in platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter can offer their services to manage and curate content. This involves creating posts, scheduling them, and interacting with followers, all while enhancing the brand's image. Number 8. Virtual assistants. Virtual assistants are in high demand as businesses worldwide look to outsource tasks like email management, calendar scheduling, data entry, and more. Students can offer their organizational skills on platforms like Virtual Assistant Jobs or VA Networking to find potential clients. Number 9. Blogging or vlogging. Starting a blog or a YouTube channel around a niche or passion can be a slow burn, but the potential rewards in terms of ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing can be considerable. Consistency, quality content, and audience engagement are the pillars of success here. Number 10. Dropshipping. Dropshipping involves selling products without handling inventory or shipment. Students can set up an online store, source products from platforms like AliExpress, and market them. When someone places an order, the supplier ships the product directly to the customer. It's a low-investment model, but requires strategic marketing and customer service skills. Number 11. Ebook publishing. In today's digital era, the rise of e-readers and tablets has made ebook publishing a promising side hustle for aspiring authors. Platforms like Amazon's Kindle Direct Publishing, or KDP, have democratized the publishing process, allowing anyone to self-publish without the need for traditional publishing houses. Whether you're passionate about fiction, well-versed in a particular subject, or even keen on compiling academic guides, there's a potential readership awaiting. One of the key benefits is the royalty structure, which often favors the author much more than traditional publishing. To succeed, focus on quality content, professional editing, and an engaging cover design. Number 12. Print on demand. Print on demand is a modern e-commerce model that empowers creators to sell custom-designed merchandise without the burdens of inventory management. Websites like Teespring, Printful, and Redbubble allow students to design products from apparel to home decor, which are only produced when a customer places an order. This eliminates the risk of unsold stock and upfront costs. While the profit margins might be slimmer compared to traditional retail, the low entry barrier and the opportunity to showcase one's creative flair make it an attractive option. Number 13. Website development. The digital age has rendered an online presence almost non-negotiable for businesses and professionals alike. As a result, website development has emerged as a lucrative side hustle. Students with a grounding in coding and platforms like WordPress, Joomla, or Drupal can offer their services to create responsive, user-friendly sites. Whether it's a simple portfolio site or a complex e-commerce platform, the demand spans a broad spectrum. To shine in this field, continuous learning and adapting to the latest web technologies and design trends is essential. Number 14. Mobile app development. The ubiquity of smartphones and the ever-growing app ecosystems of Android and iOS mean that mobile app development is a thriving field. Students proficient in programming languages like Java, Swift, or Kotlin have the potential to create innovative applications either for clients or as standalone products. While developing an app requires time and dedication, the rewards, ranging from in-app advertising revenues to sales and subscriptions, can be substantial. Number 15. Translation services. Our globalized world has brought diverse cultures and languages closer than ever before, amplifying the demand for accurate translation services. Bilingual students, or those proficient in multiple languages, have the opportunity to bridge this linguistic gap. This side hustle could involve translating documents, subtitling videos, or even providing real-time interpretation. Platforms like ProZ or Translators Cafe can be starting points to find potential clients. Number 16. Fitness coaching. With health and wellness becoming increasingly central to modern lifestyles, fitness coaching offers a blend of passion and profitability for those inclined. Students with a deep understanding of fitness regimes, nutrition, and body mechanics can offer personal training sessions, either in person or through digital platforms. Online coaching, complete with tailored workout and diet plans, has seen a surge, especially given the convenience it offers to clients. Number 17. Pet sitting or dog walking. For those who adore animals, pet sitting or dog walking can be more a pleasure than work. Especially in urban settings, many pet owners seek trustworthy individuals to care for their pets during work hours or vacations. Platforms like Rover or Wag provide a curated space for pet caregivers to connect with pet owners. Beyond the earning potential, the emotional rewards of bonding with animals are immeasurable. Number 18. Event planning. Organizing an event, be it a birthday bash, a wedding, or a corporate seminar, requires meticulous planning and attention to detail. Students with strong organizational skills and a flair for management can venture into event planning. Networking, understanding client requirements, and coordinating with various vendors are key aspects of this role. While it can be demanding, witnessing a successful event come to life is deeply gratifying. Number 19. House cleaning or organizing. A tidy environment often translates to a clearer mind. Students who have a knack for decluttering and organizing spaces can offer house cleaning or organizing services. This doesn't require a hefty initial investment, and often a job well done can lead to referrals and a growing clientele. Whether it's transforming chaotic closets into ordinary spaces or ensuring homes are spotless, this side hustle offers tangible, visible results. Number 20. Personal shopping. In the age of bespoke experiences, personal shopping is not just reserved for the elite. Students with a keen eye for fashion and a deep understanding of individual style preferences can assist clients in curating their wardrobes, sourcing unique pieces, or even grocery shopping. By building a reputation for reliability and a good understanding of products and trends, personal shoppers can carve a niche for themselves in this personalized service segment. And that's a wrap, folks. From writing to personal shopping, there's a world of opportunities awaiting you. Dive in, explore, and remember, it's not just about the money, it's about passion, learning, and growth. If you found any of these side hustles intriguing, drop a comment below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more exciting content. Until next time, dream big and hustle hard.